Hello beauty, this app is called xingtu and you can be downloaded in App Store and Android. Enter the xingtu app and click here to select the photo we want to edit. Oh, look at her face. Her face skin is uneven and she has pimples on her chest. Okay, so let's edit her look like this. First, I will do the face a little smaller in this face icon. Okay, then I will fix her left face only. You see these three words. The first is the full face. The second is the right face. The third is the left face. Okay, I will click on the third word. So, you can edit only the left face. After, click full face again at the top, so the whole face can be repaired. Then I will fix the hair with this finger icon. And I will continue to fix the face. This finger icon is very cool. We can edit the detail where we want to edit. Then I will also to fix her shoulder and arm. Okay, next, in this icon I will remove the acne scars on her face, but there are still pimples on the chest. And in this icon I will remove the scars with this. I will also to remove this hair. And I will fix her face to smooth skin with this eye icon. Blush the areas you want to smooth. Did you see that her facial skin becomes smooth? I will continue to smooth the nose. And I will blush to smooth the skin of the chest, neck, and arms. Next, go into the face icon and I will do shorten her face a bit. And on this right, I'm going to fix her eyes. I will continue to fix her nose. Again, I will fix the details her eyes and nose with this finger icon. Okay, her nose has become beautiful. Okay, then, I will fix her skin whiter in this icon. You can use any skin color you like in this. And I will use makeup that will make her look very cute. Click this icon. Wow, there are so many beautiful makeups in this. You can use whatever you like. But I will fix my own detailed makeup. And now I will go back to the makeup icon. And to the right of these makeups, you can edit each part of the face. Okay, first step I will use this face shape. And I will use rose color on her lips. Next, I'll choose this eyelashes. And I will use an orange blush on her cheeks. And I will continue to fix the eyebrows and the eyelid. Wow, she's become so cute. Then I will add her background color to white. Finally, I will do her face bright with the eye bright from this icon. She's become so cute. After editing the photo, save it here. Then enter the Wink app that I will show you and click to make the image clear like original image.